Morning, Patines. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope you all are happy. Yes, beta. Today I'm here to give you some activity of EVS. Okay, there are 4 activity of scrapbook and 2 experiment of EVS. And it's your wish. You will do one activity and send the picture or video to your class in charge. Yes, beta. First activity, draw diagram ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट एंड लेबल देम। आपको ये कैसे करना है स्क्रैप बुक में, मैं अभी आपको दिखा रही हूँ। आई एम शोइंग यू नाउ। यस बेटा, दिस इज द पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट। यू विल टेक some leaves, stem or flower or fruit and paste like this in your scrapbook. See this. Here I paste a stem and you draw here the roots because you don't take roots. Okay, and this branches, here leaves, and this is fruit. See this. See this. This is flower. Here you will paste like this and you write here your name, admission number, class. Okay beta. Now next activity. Yes beta, next activity, write a short note on means of mass communication and paste pictures in your scrapbook. Say this. This is the short note, means of mass communication. To convey a message to many people at same time, we use means of mass communication such as newspaper, radio, TV, magazines. Yes beta, and you will paste like this. Means of mass communication. Here I paste television, radio, newspaper, magazine, and you also write your name, admission number, class here. Now beta, next activity. Yes beta, number 3, make a picture of traffic light and write the traffic rules in your scrapbook. Say this. You will make this in your scrapbook like this. ट्रैफिक लाइट, रेड सिग्नल, येलो सिग्नल, ग्रीन, है ना, एंड हियर यू विल राइट द ट्रैफिक रूल्स इन योर स्क्रैप बुक. यस बेटा, वन मोर एक्टिविटी ऑफ स्क्रैप बुक, दैट इज paste the pictures of different animals with their young ones in your scrapbook. I am showing you.
Write animals, their homes and young ones. आपको एनिमल्स, उनके होम्स लिखने हैं एंड देयर यंग वंस, उनके बेबीज. यंग वंस होते हैं बेबीज. पेस्ट पिक्चर्स टू शो देयर बेबीज. और हमें यंग वंस की बेटा पिक्चर्स लानी है और यहाँ पर पिक्चर्स पेस्ट करनी है. अगर अभी आपके पास पिक्चर नहीं है तो आप बाद में भी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं, बट लीव द स्पेस फॉर देम. ओके, नाउ बेटा, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट our first animal. Now see here, this is cow and calf. So our first animal is here cow. Write down cow. Cows lives in shed and cow's baby is called calf. Okay beta. Next is, this is goat and goat's baby is called kid. So we will write here number 2, goat. Goat lives in barn and goat's baby is called kid. Okay children. Now next is sheep and this is sheep's baby lamb. Okay, so we will write here number 3. Beta, you have to write the names in front of the picture. So here we will write sheep. Sheep also live in barn with goats and sheep's baby is called lamb. Okay beta. Now I have one more page. This is our next page. Now see here, this is a dog. Dog's baby is called pup or puppy. So we will write Number 4, dog. And dog's home is called kennel. And dog's baby is called puppy. Okay, beta? Yes, beta. Number 5 is cat. Cat lives in basket. And cat's baby is called kitten. Cat's baby is called kitten. Next is horse. Horse. Number 6, horse. Horse live in stable. And horse baby is called colt. Okay, beta? Horse baby is called colt. Next is camel. Camel live in shelter. Camel lives in shelter and camel's baby is also called calf. Beta, here it is written baby camel, but it is also called calf. So these are our animals and their homes and their babies.
Today I come with an experiment for you, and this experiment will pay 5 marks in your EV2 exams. Yes, beta. And before starting the experiment, I tell you about something, how you send the video to your class in charge. Yes, beta. Firstly, you make this nameplate. Okay. See here. Name like this. My name is Renu. Class to Daisy, to Tulip, to Lily. जो भी आपकी क्लास है वो लिखेंगे. And नीचे आप लिखेंगे EVS activity and you also mention your roll number. Okay, beta? Yes. Now let's start experiment. Beta, I have take some cork here, coins and 2 glasses filled with water. I filled these glasses half. Okay. Now put some coins in one glass and some cork in another glass. Now stir both thoroughly like this. Stir means उनको घोलना है. Okay. See, like this. Coins and cork pieces both are insoluble in water. आपने देखा ना, ये soluble नहीं है. Soluble means जो घुल जाते हैं और insoluble जो नहीं घुलते हैं. तो ये क्या है? Insoluble है ना? However, coins sink in the glass to the bottom of the glass while cork pieces float on the surface. Do you know? Do you know why they are floating and why they are sinking? Yes, I am telling you about this, beta. Because the particles loosely packed molecules with loose density. जब कोई भी पार्टिकल बनता है यानी उसका जो वेट है वो कम होता है और वो थोड़ा सा लूजली जो है पैक किए जाते हैं यानी रफली जो बनाया जाता है वो क्या होते हैं? फ्लोट करते हैं पानी के अंदर. यस बेटा. एंड द टाइटली पैक्ड मॉलिक्यूल्स इन अ ऑब्जेक्ट. अब ये जो कॉइन है इसके अंदर उनको टाइटली पैक किया हुआ है और द डेंसिटी इज हाई. जो उनका घनत्व यानी जो वेट है वो ज्यादा होता है तो वो क्या करते हैं? पानी में सिंक कर जाते हैं. Yes, beta, I told you about this. Sink and float. You have to do at your home like this and make a video and send to your class in charge. Okay, beta. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes, beta. Second experiment of EVS is walking water experiment. An activity involving 4 glass 4 food color and some scientific magic. Of course, it's a perfect, low cost. Do it yourself. Experiment for you. Try this at home. Yes, beta, set your glass like this. Okay, beta, and I filled them with water. Okay, and take some drops of food color, different food color, like this. And now stir it like this. Stir the food coloring until the water is one. Okay, one color like this. See. Now beta, and take a strip of paper towel or tissue. Okay, and place them like this. Say this like this. Yes, beta, place one end of the paper towel strip into the colored water, the other end into the empty glass. Let them sit for some time. Like this. See this. Yes. Now what you observe here? What happened? Water is walking. See this. You will find that half of the colored water traveled to other side of the एंड देखो सी, इधर से ब्लू चल रहा है बेटे, इधर येलो आ गया है ना, फिर इधर येलो जा रहा है, इधर ग्रीन आ रहा है ना, ये ऐसे ही चलता चलेगा. ठीक है. द पेपर टॉल और टिश्यू विल ऑल्सो बी सेम कलर एज यू स्टार्टेड विथ. This is magic, na? You will try at home and you will do, okay? And send your video to your respective class in charges. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.